being here on Liberty University is giving me like insane nostalgia. I remember when I was in college at Penn State, I had a business called College Conqueror. And it's funny because one of the main things I found most students struggled with is the exact same thing that most people after college still struggle with as adults. So when I was doing College Conqueror, I had this thing called the S triangle. It's kind of what I discovered most college students struggled with. It was sleep, socializing, and study. Those are the three S's that most students struggle with. Now I find that once you graduate, adults still struggle more or less with the exact same things. Replace studying with work, it's the exact same thing. Now, the way you overcome that, the way you get all three of those things done is actually quite simple. And the thing you need is time management. And more than time management, you need a plan. Now, if you're interested, for the next 30 days, I'm still opening a test group. I'm taking on a few more people to take them from where they are now to where they want to be in 30 days or less. So if you're interested in getting your life together, if you're interested in getting your time management under control and getting a plan that'll take you to the next level, DM me, I'm in, and I'll shoot you the details. I'll see you. Keep killing it.